Welcome to AI Solutions and Software. I'm genuinely excited to have you here today as we embark on an enlightening journey through the dynamic world of AI tools and software. Exploring AI tools and software. At AI Solutions and Software, we dive deep into comprehensive reviews of the latest AI-powered solutions that are reshaping how we work, create, and interact online. Our content covers a broad spectrum of applications from innovative content creation tools to help you generate engaging articles to advanced data analysis software. We ensure that each review is thorough and unbiased. The importance of informed decisions. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, making informed decisions about which tools to adopt can feel overwhelming. That's why I'm here, to provide you with the insights you need to choose wisely. We discuss not only the features of these tools, but also their practical applications in real-world scenarios. My goal is for you to feel confident in your choices and empowered to leverage these technologies to enhance your productivity and creativity. Unlocking online income opportunities. Now let's shift gears and talk about something that's on many people's minds: making money online with AI. This area holds tremendous potential for growth and innovation. Our channel explores various platforms and software solutions that harness the power of artificial intelligence to create new avenues for entrepreneurship. We delve into how these tools can automate repetitive tasks, streamline operations, and ultimately free up your time so you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Claim your free AI tools. When you subscribe to this channel and comment "subscribed" below, you'll receive 2 free result-producing AI tools. These are tools I've personally vetted and found incredibly useful for enhancing productivity and achieving tangible results. So don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. The role of AI in creative processes. We examine cutting-edge tools that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in design, content creation, and multimedia production. Imagine having access to software that can help you generate stunning visuals or compelling narratives with just a few clicks. Our reviews focus on how these technologies can augment human creativity rather than replace it. We believe that AI should be seen as a collaborative partner, a tool that empowers you to express your ideas more effectively and efficiently. Enhancing productivity with AI. In addition to creative applications, we also explore how AI is revolutionizing productivity across various sectors. We discuss project management tools that utilize artificial intelligence to optimize workflows, allocate resources more effectively, and even predict potential bottlenecks before they occur. By providing insights into how these tools function and their potential impact on your work or business, we aim to equip you with the knowledge needed to harness AI for maximum efficiency. Ethical considerations in AI development. As we navigate this exciting landscape, it's essential to address the ethical considerations surrounding AI development and deployment. On our channel, we keep our audience informed about the latest discussions regarding responsible AI practices. Thank you for joining us! Subscribe to this channel and comment "subscribed." You'll gain access to those 2 free result-producing AI tools I mentioned earlier. Tools designed to help you explore the incredible potential of AI in your own work or business. Thank you once again for tuning in to AI Solutions and Software.